Babes, what is it?
No, it's nothing, it's nothing. Babe, you promised to give me an iPhone 17 this week.
Babe,
What about it?
babe, don't bother. Everything is in control now. Next week, I'm going to travel to Dubai, okay? I'll
Like,
bring it.
seriously?
Yeah,
Promise?
yeah, I promise, baby.
Oh my God. Thank you.
Alright, baby. Babes, what is it?
No, it's nothing, it's nothing.
Is everything alright?
I just wanted to help this man. This poor man.
Hey, who?
This poor man.
This poor man?
Yeah.
This is a madman. You are saying you want to help a madman. If you don't leave this place, if you don't, of course, I leave this place. Madman. Go away. Babes, let's go. Let's go, babes. Let's go. Hurry. Let's go. I don't have time. Babes, it's not everybody that you help in life here. Let me tell you something that you don't know. Where's this girl? Babes! Babes! Where's this girl? This madman wants to spoil something for me. He wants to spoil everything for me. Where's this girl? Babes! Papa, this madman wants to spoil everything for me. What is this? Where's this girl? This madman wants to spoil things for me. If I see this madman, what I'll do to this madman, what I'll do to him, he's not going to believe me. Where's this girl? Babes! Where's this girl? Babes! Where's this girl now? Babes! Don't reject idiot, If I see this fool, this my God, this man has spoiled everything, my God. Oh man.
You again.
Don't talk too much. Stop. Have you seen what you put yourself into? This building you are seeing, nobody comes here and go back alive. You were going to be sacrificed by this man.
Jesus.
You left home to study and take care of your poor parents at home. What are you looking for? Look at what you just did to yourself. This man is a blood-sucking somebody, a vampire, who you saw what happened. Just imagine, look at how beautiful you are. What are you doing? Hookup. Please, I want you to repent. Stop all this type of life. If it is money, I will bless you today. Have you heard? Go and start something doing. This is the money you gave me. Take. This is your money. You gave me this money. Thanks for your good. Yes. Take this one.
Thank you, sir, for
Go
saving
and
my life.
start a new business.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Don't shout.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Let me check if he has gone. Then I'll come and take you to go.
Thank you, sir.
Wait. Come. You have to run for your life. Go and never come back to this street. Run. Go, run. Run.